part number. And then we gotta unbox them. And then we put the bearings on in the order with the collars going to the center. And the bearings go on the left side of these posts. You always make sure your shaft is all the way in your back of your jig right here. And then get them centered. And then to lock your collar, you got to spin it. And then we always, we got little arrows here that you always hit it in that direction, depending on where you're looking at it. And then when you're hitting on it, you don't hit straight down, you hit at an angle straight across the top of it. Make sure that's back, because it always wants to shove that way for some reason. The torque on these is 85. And then put the grease zerks in. I put the grease zerks in last, so that way when I'm adjusting the bearings, I don't accidentally hit one and break it or something. Snug them down, and then the shaft's ready to go, and then he'll bring the rails over and put it back together.